Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today I have my third relaxed hair update for you guys and I'm excited and I hope you are, so let's get right into the video. I stretched this time for about 15 weeks, maybe 15 and a half weeks, and the stretch actually wasn't that bad. You know how relaxed hair is usually towards the last 4 weeks before you get a relaxer is when the bacchanal, as we say in Trinidad, or the drama, the confusion, the chaos really takes place. And yeah, that was definitely the case for me. From week 1 to about week 12 was pretty good. My hair is pretty manageable and I usually know what to do and I'm really consistent with my routine, washing weekly, moisturizing and all that. But from like week 13 onwards is where things get a little bit more difficult for me. And usually when this happens, I try to do a protective style and I did this time. I did feed-in braids. If I have a picture, I'll include it now for you guys to see what my hair looked like. And I actually did a video on how I prep for my braids as well. So I'll include that up here, wherever, in the cards for you to check out. Yeah, so I had those braids in for about 2 weeks, which kind of saved me from having to deal with my hair a bit, but after that I had to take them out and I was left with new growth and relaxed ends. During this time I was really trying my best to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. I must admit I really wasn't that consistent with moisturizing and sealing as I usually was in the past, but I tried my best. And I did introduce a new product into my moisturizing and sealing routine. I will include a picture for you guys to see. It is the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Line Spray Leave-In Conditioner. I'll include the picture so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But this product really helped with softening my new growth and just making my hair a little bit more manageable. Also, in between, like on days when I don't feel like doing anything or I'm extremely lazy and I don't want to do a full moisturizing and sealing routine, I will just spray this product all over my hair, seal it in with my Essential 7 oil, and I was pretty okay for a day or two to continue on. But honestly, at the end there, I really wasn't consistent with my moisturizing and sealing, and I don't think it caused any major damage to my hair, but I could have been better. I could have been better and I could have been more consistent, which probably would have saved me a bit of inches or so on relaxer day. And leading up to my relaxer, you guys know I did film a video on how I prepped for my relaxer and my moisturizing and sealing routine before relaxer. So usually I will wash my hair 1 week before my relaxer, and I just did a normal moisturizing wash day routine, and then the day before my relaxer, I moisturize and seal my hair to make sure that my hair is protected. I'll include the video at the top in the cards for you guys to check that out and see my routine. The only thing though, I did use castor oil in that routine and I don't think I will be doing that moving forward. I will probably be using my same Essential 7 oil or olive oil, as that is a bit lighter on my hair. On relaxer day, my hair was extremely heavy from the castor oil. And my stylist did mention that. She did say that my hair felt extremely heavy and extremely oily. And that's because castor oil is an extremely thick, heavy oil and it just was sitting on top of my hair and it wasn't penetrating or anything like that. So 2 things that I would change: I would actually do this routine 2 days before I get a relaxer and I would switch out the castor oil for either my Essential 7 oil or olive oil, because I believe that would be a little bit lighter on my hair and probably work a little bit better. But overall, I would say my relaxer day went really well. I did not get any burns at all, and that's probably attributed to the routine I did before going in to get the relaxer. It was really well, no burns, no complaints. My scalp was not on fire, and I was really grateful and thankful for that. She went through the whole process: relaxer, smoothing, shampooing. She shampooed my hair about 3 to 4 times with a neutralizing shampoo, and then the final shampoo she used a moisturizing shampoo, and then we did a treatment on my hair, and then we proceeded to blow dry and flat iron. So that's usually how my relaxer day goes, and it was smooth, no issues at all. And when it came to getting my trim, she did not have to take much off. She probably took maybe about 1/4 of an inch to maybe a 1/2 inch off, which really wasn't a lot, and I was very grateful because I got to maintain most of my length. Now, getting into my comparison pictures, which I know everybody will be excited to see my journey from my first relaxer to now. I personally don't see the difference between my last relaxer and this one. I think the only difference that I really see is the fullness of my hair. My hair looks a lot fuller. But I don't really see much in the length, and maybe it's just my eyes and how I'm looking at the picture, but yeah, but I mean, you guys can check out the photos and let me know what you think. Do you guys see a difference in the length? Is there any difference at all? There is a major difference from my first relaxer to this last relaxer, and I'm very proud of my growth and my progress. And all I can attribute that to is being consistent with your routine and taking care of your hair, being patient, being consistent, and just having some faith and consistency, and you will see the results. That's all. So I'm going to include the pictures for you guys can see my progress so far and where I'm at now. Yeah, so I definitely see the growth and the progress in my hair, and I'm extremely proud of myself. So good job, Zari. You're doing a great job. Keep doing the damn thing. And moving forward towards future hair goals and hair growth, I am still gunning for that waist length. Like, I just really want my hair to get to waist length. I've never had waist length hair, and I really want to see how it looks on me, how it feels, and everything. So getting to waist length is definitely my goal. Full, healthy waist length hair. That's all. And also, one future wish that I would like to do, I would actually like to go back to my stylist and clean up my ends a little bit more. I'm thinking about taking about an inch off again, just to get my ends extremely blunt. I have OCD when it comes to my ends, and I just want everything to be on one even level. So I would like to take off maybe another inch, and I'd also like to try dyeing my hair. I'm hoping to get maybe a dark brown. I don't want to do anything crazy as yet, but maybe I'll try a dark brown rinse and see how that looks on my hair. My hair is naturally, you can't really see it now, but it's naturally a dark brown color, and I would really love to enhance that and see how that looks. So I'll have a discussion with my stylist and see if that can be done. But those are my two experiments moving forward in this next journey, or this next step of relaxed hair for me. Another thing that I would like to try moving forward is using Olaplex on my hair. I do plan on investing in Olaplex maybe within a couple of months. Maybe not during this stretch, but maybe in my next stretch I will purchase the just a little, you know, the sample kit that they have, and try that out and see how that works. But I'm definitely interested in Olaplex, and I would love to see how those products work in my hair. But yeah, that's generally the update on me and my relaxed hair. I plan on being consistent with my washing routine still, my moisturizing and sealing routine still. Besides the Olaplex, I don't think that I'm going to be trying any more new products. I just really want to work on my consistency. But if I do, I will let you guys know what I'm trying out and what I'm purchasing for my hair. But that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I just want to take a few seconds to thank all my new subscribers. Welcome to my platform. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope that you guys stick around and you follow me on my journey, and I hope that you are enjoying my content so far. If you haven't already, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Ooh.